Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2020 Toyota Corolla XSE. This Corolla XSE has tons of options: power windows and door locks, keyless entry, has heated seats, a heated steering wheel, has a navigation system, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, and also has a sunroof. Our 2021 Corolla has a 2-liter engine paired with a CVT transmission. Spacious seating for 3 with heated seats on the outboard position and also the heavy-duty Toyota mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 Corolla, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.